Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi Balaji. Welcome to the Zoom Zoom series. This week we are going to sing a song about Tiny Tim. Do you know who is Tiny Tim? He is a little turtle. Okay? He is a very little turtle. Can you hold your hand like this and like this? See? Tiny Tim is here. Are you ready? Shall we go to song? Come on! I had a little turtle. His name is Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. Plop, 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 plop. He ate up all the soap. And now he is homesick in bed with bubbles in his throat. Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Did you enjoy this song? My kids love this song very much. Okay? Next week, we are going to see you again with some other song. Until then, bye-bye. This is Zoom Zoom Series.